Good morning, everybody on YouTube land. It's time for 2023 blue popcorn harvest. Last year, we got 1 ear out of 4 plants. This year, we got 1 ear out of 4 plants. I'll try and put those end screens up where you can see last year's harvest. I'm going to break each piece off into this dish. Okay, here's what we got this year. I wonder if that's just about the same that we got last year. I'm using the same popcorn popper that I had last year. Pour that in there. Then it has this slotted lid. I got a new microwave this year and it doesn't fit. So we'll try putting it in sideways. See what happens. Can you hear it popping? And it's really quite delicious again this year. There's just one thing that's amazing. And that is that I use 4 5-gallon buckets to grow 4 plants. And this is my harvest. I don't think it's very efficient. But I've got some exciting things coming up next season, and maybe we'll get a bigger harvest of blue popcorn. I'll see you again next time. Adios. Jesus loves you. He is the exact image of the invisible God. You can trust him. Bye-bye.